Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use a gift card on DoorDash. If you've received a DoorDash gift card, it's easy to redeem it and use it for your orders. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Firstly, look for the email from delivery@orders.thegiftcardshop.com. Click the View Your Gift Card link. Now, if you can't find it, try searching your inbox for the center. Now you'll see a 16-digit PIN in the email. Copy this number as you'll need it to redeem the card in the app. Now open the DoorDash app on your phone, then tap the profile icon at the top of the screen. Just tap Manage Account and then select Redeem Gift Card. Pass the 16-digit PIN into the field and then tap Redeem to your account. You'll see the confirmation page showing that the funds have been added, and these funds are now available in your DoorDash account for purchases. And that's it, your DoorDash gift card balance is now ready to use. You can place orders directly in the app and the funds will automatically be applied at the checkout. It's fast, easy, and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.